Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel English Dreamers, the place where we make English fun, simple and real. If you are struggling to speak English fluently, you are not alone. I have been there too. And today in this video, I'm gonna share with you the real truth on how to learn English fluently, even if you are just a beginner. Let me tell you this. Speaking English fluently, it's not about grammar perfection. It's not about knowing big difficult words. It's about confident practice and mindset. So, in this video, I'm going to give you 6 tips on how to learn English fluently. And without any further delay, let's get into the video. Tip number 1. Speak first, correct later. Most beginners wait until they become perfect before they speak. But trust me, that day never comes. Start speaking with simple words. Say things like, I like tea, I am going to college, she is my best friend. Don't care if it's wrong. Mistakes are how you learn. You learn walking by falling, right? Same with English. Tip number 2. Listen like a baby. Think about a baby. How do they learn language? They listen first, all night, all day. They don't speak for months. And you have to listen a lot. English movies, YouTube, songs, even cartoons. But here's a secret. Don't just listen. Copy it. Repeat it. Repeat the sentence. Copy the accent. Even copy the emotion. And that's how you will sound natural in English. Tip number 3. Speak to yourself. Sounds crazy, right? But it works. Whenever you are doing something, for example, you are brushing your hair, talk like I am brushing my hair. You look very nice when you are cooking. I am making tea, it smells so good. And remember, you don't need a partner to practice. You are your best practice partner. Tip number 4. Use your phone. Speak to yourself, just like I am speaking to you right now. You can speak to your phone, talk about your day, and listen it back. Listen it back and notice your mistakes and improve. Trust me, it helps a lot. And till this day, I do this technique. Tip number 5. Learn sentences, not words. Fluent speakers don't think word by word. They speak sentences. So, instead of learning, going to school today, learn, I am going to school today. That's how native speakers talk. And last but not the least, tip number 6. Confidence is more important than grammar. I have seen students who knows grammar rules but can't speak. I have seen people with bad grammars, but they speak English with confidence. They get jobs, friends and opportunities. So don't wait to be perfect. Be brave, be bold, be wrong and just speak. That's how fluency is born. And if you are watching this video, one thing I know about you is that you have a dream. And trust me, you can fulfill it. It's not about talent, it's about practice and passion. So, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you learned anything from this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn English. And I will catch you guys in my next video. So till then, keep learning, keep growing and bye.